What's up, guys? Coming to you today with a DIY project. As you may recently know, I built a 24 by 40 foot garage. Not DIY, but I can't afford a contractor to get a driveway up to this new garage. So I gotta do DIY style, and I'm getting that help today from the Home Depot rental department. So Home Depot, when you bought one of the tools, that is the John Deere 26G mini excavator. We're about to get busy. So now I have my lines marked out for where I want to dig at. As you can see, I made a little, went too far one way when I was walking, so try to straighten that up. But basically from here over, going to the shop, it's going to be driveway. Concrete all the way over here for the trash can pads, and then we're going to have a concrete pad as well for the trailer. Unfortunately, not everything can be gotten with the mini excavator. I'm not willing to get too close to the house, so I got as pretty close as I could, and now doing the rest of the show. I'm not gonna lie, this is one time where I wish I had the money to just pay somebody. But we got progress. Coming along, just finished clearing out the edges all the way up. I still gotta clear out this one edge by the house. All right, so I've gotten the driveway cleared out. Now I'm gonna spread this 57 gravel with the John Deere and get it all leveled out. Then I'll come back and compact it in. This video is brought to you by the Home Depot rental, where you can rent the tools you need to get your job done, whether it be professional or DIY. Alright, now that my my gravel is smoothed out for the most part, now I'm going to use this 20-inch compactor to pack it all in. All right, we are packed down, and there's some spots that need some work, but for the most part, we are packed down with gravel. Now the next step will be to be building the forms and starting to set off levels, see what's high and what's low. So we got 20 yards of concrete, 85 feet from here to the garage, and now I have my driveway and a parking pad for my trailer. So I just want to say thank you to the Home Depot rental program for renting me the mini excavator and the 20-inch compactor. I have a lot more projects to do in this shop, so stay tuned because I'll be renting some more tools from the Home Depot to get those done. I also want to give a big shout out and thank you to Adam Browning over at Commercial Concrete for coming in and saving the day with the concrete pour. At the end of the day, I just wasn't willing to try to do that much concrete by myself, and my wife talked some sense into me. So we was able to pull some extra money together and get this guy done. So I just want to say thank you guys. Come again, like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next one.